That muzzle brake?
No.
Yeah, when's that on before?
But his AR set up right, so we're trying to get that through. At 50, he's just skipping off. I was like, fuck it, let's try 100.
Ready?
5.56. Might be a 6 on the ground, but at 50 yards, man. Hey Jay, one thing I was doing too, when I was holding the rifle, instead of putting my hand on where you had the piece, I was holding Hey, use that as a reference after you shoot.
Alright, good.